In today's video, we're going to explore the best SMS forwarder apps for Android that can help you manage your text messages more efficiently. If you're looking to streamline your messaging experience, then you're in the right place. Let's get started. SMS Forwarder Android. SMS Forwarder Android is a straightforward app designed to automatically forward incoming SMS messages to another phone number or email address. The app allows users to customize forwarding rules based on specific contacts or keywords, ensuring that only relevant messages are forwarded. With an intuitive interface, users can quickly set up forwarding options without any hassle. Additionally, the app supports multiple forwarding options, allowing you to decide how you want your messages to be sent. This app is perfect for those who want to stay updated on messages received on different devices or numbers without constantly checking their phones. SMS Forwarder and SMS Reply. SMS Forwarder and SMS Reply is a versatile app that not only forwards incoming SMS messages, but also allows users to set up automatic replies. This feature is particularly useful for users who may be unable to respond to messages immediately or who want to inform contacts that they are away. The app offers customization options for both forwarding and replying, enabling users to specify rules based on sender, keywords, or time of day. With its user-friendly interface and flexible settings, this app is ideal for anyone needing to maintain communication while on the go, enhancing convenience and ensuring that important messages are never missed. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of SMS Forwarder Android and SMS Forwarder and SMS Reply helps you find the ideal app to stay on top of your messages. Until next time, take care.